Hi guys! Today's video is about maintaining your balayage. I wanted to talk about this because it's really important to know how often you need to go into the salon to get your balayage redone. Balayage technique is basically painting the hair. So we lighten the hair so that it reaches the level that you want, and then it gets toned, and then you go home and you use the products that are meant to maintain your color so that it looks good. A lot of times you will hear from your stylist that you need to come back into the salon 6 to 8 weeks, in between 6 to 8 weeks, to keep your hair color looking fresh. I have to let you know that a lot of stylists will try to continue to keep you coming into the salon. In order for the salon to continue to make money, we have to keep our guests and our clients coming back, and if we have gaps in our schedule, it kind of really messes up with the numbers. So a lot of times colorists will try to get you to come back to the salon to keep your hair color looking fresh. Sometimes they overdo your highlights as well, and you might find that there's breakage or that you didn't see a huge difference, and that maybe you realize that you didn't really need to go into the salon that soon, that you could have left your hair to kind of grow out a little bit better. So basically the gist of this video is that anyone who tells you that you have to absolutely come in within 6 to 8 weeks to maintain your highlights or your balayage is kind of low-key lying to you, because I have worked alongside some amazing colorists whose colors will last up to 6 months, even more, because their blending technique is so beautiful. If the technique is good, if they're good colorists, they're lifting your hair to the right level, and then they're toning it with the correct toners, and then you're going home and you're maintaining it at home. You don't need to see a colorist after 6 to 8 weeks. That's actually a very short amount of time, and I have seen colorists burn the hair of their clients and cause a lot of damage, especially around the hairline, the money piece, and all that. I think what they do is like they don't do a full job. They kind of do a half-ass job so that they keep you coming back in. So I want you to keep your eyes open for any hairstylist who does that, because I think it's unethical, and I want you to know about this. Any stylist who is good at what they do is going to keep your color looking fresh for a long period of time, is not going to cause damage to your hair, is going to educate you about your hair and how to maintain your hair. So I've seen clients with balayage that has lasted a year and it still looks good. At that point, it just looks like old sun-kissed kind of color because it's grown out so beautifully. Everyone has their own technique of how they do balayage. My favorite is teasing the hair and then lightly kind of painting the hair so that it lifts to the correct level and you don't get any brassiness or anything like that. Honesty is the best. If you feel comfortable with your stylist, that's the stylist you want to go to. If you feel like your stylist is kind of just trying to get you back in just to make money off of you, then don't go back to that stylist. Find someone that you feel like you can trust, and someone that is going to answer all of your questions. Always go through referrals. If you like someone's color, ask them where they got their hair done. I think that's the best way of finding a good stylist for you. Again, I don't do color. I only cut hair, but I understand color, and I wanted to make this video just as a heads up. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I am Lina's Makeup and Hair. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye.